Hello friends, I'm Alexius Varro, and welcome back to the channel where we unlock the art of Stoic living together. Today we're diving into a vital concept from Marcus Aurelius's Meditations, specifically from section 7.2, which I like to call Reignite Your Thoughts. So, let's set the scene. Picture this. You've had a couple of really tough weeks. Maybe work has been overwhelming, personal issues have cropped up, or perhaps you've just felt disconnected from your usual routines and principles. It's okay. It happens to everyone, and it happened to Marcus Aurelius too. Now, Marcus Aurelius was no stranger to adversity. It's likely he faced immense stress, strife with senators, or challenges with his own family. He might have written this particular section to remind himself to return to his principles, no matter how far he felt he had strayed. And here is the crux of his wisdom. Can principles ever die unless the corresponding perceptions fade away? And to reignite them once more, it depends on you. And renewal is possible for you. Just look at things again in the way you began to see them. That's renewal. Let's break that down. Marcus is essentially telling us that our core principles don't just vanish, they only fade when our perception of them weakens. And the best part? Rekindling those principles is entirely within our control. All it takes is a shift in how we see things, a return to the clarity and purpose we had when we initially embraced these ideals. Renewal isn't about grand gestures, it's about revisiting and reigniting our thoughts. So, let's make this practical, folks. Imagine you've been feeling off track, perhaps not living up to your own standards. What can you do? First, recognize that it's perfectly human to falter. Even Stoic philosophers like Marcus himself had their moments of doubt and misalignment. Secondly, realize that the power to reignite those thoughts and principles lies within you. Ask yourself, why did I start on this path? What values truly matter to me? Take a moment to reflect. Maybe you've strayed away from your commitment to patience or have been neglecting your practice of gratitude. Understand that these principles haven't gone anywhere. Your perception of them has just dimmed temporarily. Look at things anew, just as Marcus suggests. See them with fresh eyes, just like you did when you first understood their significance. Now, let's turn that insight into action. Here are 3 practical steps to reignite your thoughts today. 1. Reflect and reframe. Spend 10 minutes writing down the principles that are central to your life. Identify which ones you've drifted away from and think about why they were important to you in the first place. This reflection helps you reframe your mindset. 2. Small, intentional actions. Start small. If you've lost track of your commitment to patience, find a situation today where you can consciously practice it. Small, intentional actions are powerful triggers to reignite our guiding principles. Daily reminders. Incorporate reminders into your day. It could be sticky notes, phone alerts, or setting aside a few minutes in the morning to ground yourself in these principles. Repetition and consistency are key to renewal. Think of renewal not as a monumental task, but as a series of small steps. What happened yesterday, or even what happened 5 minutes ago, is already in the past. What matters is the now, the choice you make in this moment to align yourself once again with the principles that define you. To close, remember these words from Marcus Aurelius. They are a gentle yet powerful reminder, and renewal is possible for you. Just look at things again in the way you began to see them. That's renewal. Thank you for joining me today, friends. Let's reignite our thoughts, embrace our principles anew, and continue this journey of Stoic living together. If you found value in today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights. And as always, I encourage you to share how you're applying these teachings in the comments below. Until next time, stay resilient, stay true, and stay serene.